Congratulations to everyone who took this trade with me because we nailed the bottom again at 18,664. Bitcoin has come down to hit our exact measured move we taken from this rising wedge. We priced this at the breakout, and that is where this number came in at. And congratulations to you guys who took that. And congratulations also to those of you who have been following the channel and also caught this 17,600 bottom that we got over here. Road Dog Crypto. I just want to point out how this is played out on the bigger time frames, because we save ourselves a lot of worry where everybody else is going over these 15-minute time frames trying to figure out what's going to happen to this breakout. We've already got our measured move right here. We already know. We knew this September 2nd. We were coming down to this area. Let's take a quick look at that September 2nd video. So I've got this trend line here just drawn out. Now, if we follow that down, we could be looking about the 6th of September of maybe seeing around 18,600. So that's my prediction just based on the trend line here. All right, there you go. I don't attribute this to ESP. I attribute this to the measured move. It gave us that number and this trend line following it, and where they converge was September 6th. It's that simple. It doesn't always work out when you forecast dates, but sometimes it does. We got lucky on that one. Call it for what it is. We were coming down to this area, and that's actually where we bounced, which was in our accumulation zone here. Now, our price target for Bitcoin at the moment, we take the measured move from this falling wedge, will bring us up to $22,324. So over the next few days or whatever, as we struggle to get to that point and everybody's trying to figure this out on their little bitty time frames, we don't have to worry about that. We're playing the big game. Now, I do expect a pullback with Bitcoin because our levels are getting kind of high, and a pullback is healthy. What I expect to see for Bitcoin over these next few days and weeks is to pull back to the $2,000 area. Now, this does not always play out as I draw it, but it should be something about like this, a healthy correction, and then we can start coming back up to retest this support right here. This is the one that we've really got our eye on, and we have to zoom out to see this. And so zooming out here to the weekly, we are back into our falling wedge pattern. And again, 68% chance this breaks up to the upside once we get a breakout. So we're looking at getting around this $23,000 area. If we can hold that, catch that as support, we can be working our way up to around the $27,000, $28,000 area over time. All right, so let's take a little closer look on the 4-hour, get an overview of what's going on with Bitcoin and what we can actually expect. We can see that we have actually completed a double bottom pattern. This could be excellent news for confirming that we may have possibly actually bottomed for this bear market cycle. Good thing. Now, to confirm this, what we've got to do is Bitcoin has got to come up to this $25,000 area. It has got to make a higher high. Hopefully what we can do is hold that area and bounce off of it and start working towards some higher areas. However, we really need to get a retest before we get up there. So what is likely to happen is that we'll come up to this 22,648 area, which is also the 618 Fibonacci area for this whole move. Get rejected there, come back down to either the 0.5 Fibonacci area, which is in accordance with Dow theory, $2,862. Or we could also come down to retest our breakout area right around 20,000. For those of you looking for some target areas to reaccumulate on a retest, anywhere between 18,800-ish to over 2,000 would be excellent. And also the 20,850-ish area. Great areas to add more to your position, okay? There's a possibility that you could take a little bit of profit up here at $22,648. Also have a target at $23,764. And of course, we do have to come up here to retest this high of 25,000. So possible retest, then come back up, break up, and go eventually up to 25,000 is what I see over the next week.
Greetings to the crypto community. We are pseudo-anonymous. We are here to smash that like button. We believe this content needs to reach more people like you. We are watching. We are listening. Most importantly, we are liking and subscribing. We are pseudo-anonymous. Expect us.
Now, since we last spoke, I've actually set up a Kucoin account for the Road Dog channel, and I've got some active trades going here, and I am playing around with a little margin, a little leverage, doing it very responsibly, trying to set a good example for this, and sometimes that still goes against me even when I try to do it right, because trading margin, especially perpetual contracts, is freaking complicated, all right? So we'll take advantage of our previous analysis, and I got into some great positions here. My position is 19,959 entry on this. I'm already up 41% in profit. This is just a leverage trade of about $100. I've taken some profit, so I've got a realized profit of almost $10, and I've got almost $30 unrealized that I can cash out on. So we're just going to ride this, let this ride up. I've got my stop losses in places. So if this one comes down, this is a winning trade automatically. I moved my stop loss up after I took profit, moved it up to a point where I'm still in profit. There we go. Also have a standard margin account over here. I have one in cross margin and also one in isolated margin, and we'll get into all that stuff. But you can see some of the areas that I picked up Bitcoin here, 19,000, 19,700, 19,751, all through those areas, just stacking a position. Now, my debt ratio, I'm at 41%. I want you to notice that I'm keeping my risk low on this, okay? My estimated value over here is $480. My Bitcoin balance is 0.0076. I've still got open orders here that were not filled, but that's okay. So my targets are set up here around 23,442. Have my stop losses in place. And my liquidation price on this, Bitcoin has got to get down to $3,691 to liquidate me out of this if things just go totally wrong. So that's how I'm kind of playing this. I also have a cross margin. You can see that right here. It's a 5x leverage or whatever. Picking up orders, one of them that we nailed at 18,624 right there. 18,624, that was excellent. I picked up a lot more Bitcoin for my long-term holdings for that too. But I was lucky enough to get some here on this account, adding it to our position there. Now, my debt ratio here is 54.87%. So I got 0.011 Bitcoin in this account. Estimated value about $1,200 in Bitcoin there. 5x leverage. This one, I am playing this slowly over time. This is more of a longer term margin trade right here. It's not an in-out trade. This is more like swing trading with margin on a cross margin platform. So overall, I put $2,000 in the Kucoin and I divided it up $500 in each little area. Now, I think I have a little bit more in the regular spot trading, but this is what I've accumulated over the past 2 weeks in spot, okay? Picked them up on some very cheap prices, and these are the ones that I'll be flipping over, selling either for Tether or, depending on Bitcoin dominance and where that is, selling it for Bitcoin. And guys, I hope this information has been helpful. Just to give you a little idea about how we're trying to do some trading, live trading here at the channel, and give some examples about how to actually conduct some trading. And also just to give you some targets to look for, where to take profits in Bitcoin over this next week, and also possible places to accumulate on a retest and a pullback. Until next time, my name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog, reminding you, not only have you got this, if you've been following this channel, you are doing this. So congratulations. Until next time, be blessed and be positive.
Hello, friends. Are you trying to find financial freedom by trading and investing in them there cryptocurrencies? But are you having a hard time being profitable and making them winning trades? Well, you can get all that knowledge and a whole lot more just by watching the Crypto Chart School playlist over here at the Road Dog Crypto Channel. So if you want to be profitable, right there you can go. And it's all for a like and a subscribe. Happy trading, y'all.